Hello and welcome to my channel. What you see here is a frosted glass gradient purple in soda can style. I pressed these in the mug press and I will show you how to do a full wrap with a mug press. Aren't they beautiful? Let's start off with an open box. As you can see here, it comes with a glass straw, and inside the box is wrapped in bubble wrap to protect it, and it also has the bamboo lid. Make sure you take off the lid when you press. This is similar to the 20-ounce tumbler. It has the same circumference of 9.25 inches or 22.5 centimeter, as is shown here. Look at the full wrap. I printed the design with 9.5 inches. Here I'm taping the back on one side. This will prevent bleeding where the extra quarter inch that overlap when it wraps around the mug. Here I'm trimming the print down to size. I'm cutting right to where the print is so that there are no white space, and you will see the heat tape behind it right here. This is to prevent bleeding. Here I'm trimming the print down further to cover the whole height of the can. And since I want full bleeding for this design, I'm making sure that it's not too short. As you can see here, it covers the whole can vertically. Next design, this one I'm not doing full bleed like the first one. So I will trim it a little bit short on the top and the bottom. And again, I use the heat tape on the back to prevent bleeding where it will overlap for a quarter inch when you wrapped it. And I'm continuing to trim down the print. The height I'll be using will be about 4.5 inches, as shown here. Once these two designs are pressed, you'll be able to compare whether you like the bleed or no bleed. And finishing up the second one. Again, notice how the heat tape will be protecting the bleeding on the vertical side where the print overlap for a quarter inch. Okay, let's start pressing. Notice how I have the tape at the end right here. That will tell me where the rotation will be, this position of the mug. Here I'm pressing at 330 Fahrenheit, and each rotation is 60 seconds. That's one rotation. Fast forward, I rotate 90 degrees, press again, fast forward, and then I rotate again, this time at 45 degrees, and I'm pressing this time for 15 seconds. If you're not doing a full wrap, you only need to press once at 120 seconds. And here, this one is done. And it looks like there were two white lines on each side. So this is a fail. And we will try a different technique this time. So for second try, we will use 330 degrees again, and we will do 40 seconds each time for 4 times for a total of 160 seconds. Each time the rotation is 45 degrees. Again, rotate and press. Again, rotate and press. Again, rotate and press. Okay, we are done. And this one came out perfect. Now let's compare our results. So here was the first one that had two white strips because the color was not completely transferred. This was a 60, 60, and 15 seconds. And then here's the second one. It was pressed at 40 seconds for 4 times, rotating 45 degrees each time. It came out perfect. That's it. I hope you find this video useful. See you next video.